How to assemble the flatbed on the Power Barrow SPB-800Li. Included in the box with your flatbed tray, you'll also see two black wedges. These are not required for this model, so can be placed to one side. If you are removing the tray first, please also remove the front tray support, as this is not required. You will get 2 spacers, 2 M8x50 bolts, 2 M8x25 bolts, and 6 fixing knobs. Step 1. Place the flatbed spacers into place on the main frame like so. Step 2. Place the flatbed tray onto the main frame, ensuring the short bar is on top of the spacers, with all the holes lined up. Step 3. Screw the flatbed tray onto the main frame. You'll have a total of 4 bolts, 2 shorter ones, M8x25, which are for the rear of the main tray, and the 2 larger bolts, M8x50, which are for the front end of the main frame. Make sure these are tightened and secure. Step 4. Insert the front and sides onto the flatbed tray. Give them a good push to ensure that they are fully inserted. Step 5. Secure the sides onto the flatbed. Using the 6 fixing knobs and washers, tighten these into the corresponding holes on the flatbed tray. And that's it! Your flatbed tray is fully installed onto the Power Barrow. Thank you for watching.